Alright, I just installed the Kwikset 260 Smartcode Deadbolt. It's here in Canada where they call it Weiser, but it's Kwikset. So we gotta program this. We start it by having the lock extended. Press the program button here, and then the lock, and I'm going to put in a code 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I press this, it should do that calibration. We're handing. But this is what it does. I can try to monkey with it, you know, roll over, force it this way. So it just keeps on doing that, and it does that even if I take this off. It has to do with, like, there's some resistance, mechanical resistance in here that it's having trouble with, or maybe there's a gear slipping or something. Seems defective, but let's see.